Hello, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts, and I just wanted to show you why I haven't recorded any videos for so long. I've been trying to do some crafting, and I haven't had a crafting space for the last few months really, because we're doing some building work on the house, and this is my new crafting area. This is my studio, and I can't wait to be able to get in here and actually do some crafting, because it's driving me mad that I've not been able to do anything. This used to be our garage. Not that we ever used it for a garage, we never had the car in it because it was always full of stuff. But now it's turning into my craft studio, and as you can see, there's still a heck of a lot of work to do. All this has got to be plastered down. It's just the plasterboards on the wall at the moment. All this floor had to come up. It was all dug up really deep. They put a new concrete floor down. They put these gorgeous bifold doors in, which I am absolutely in love with. And tomorrow they're going to come and plaster the walls. All the electrics have got to go in. All the first stage electrics have gone in. Look at this, wires hanging down. They're perfectly safe, they're not live. But this is where I will be doing my crafting, and I will be recording my videos from. And I've just got, in the summer, I've got visions of me sitting in here doing my crafting with my two little dogs. And those doors will be open because at the moment it's freezing cold. There's no electric in here and no heating at the moment, but in the summer those doors will be opened, and I'll have my dogs in here running in and out, and I'll be sat here crafting. So I can't wait for that to start, but there's still a heck of a lot of work to do. I'm having a tiled floor and underfloor heating in as well, so that'll be fantastic. There's a radiator going on over by underneath the window. But we're not only having this work done, we're also go through here, and this mess is my kitchen, and it is going to be a lovely big kitchen, but at the moment it's a flipping mess. That's the cooker at the moment, but we can't really do a lot of cooking in here because it's all full of dust and everything. All bits and pieces just keep falling down everywhere, just dust. Every time you put anything in here, it gets covered in dust. But now they've plasterboarded the ceilings. There, all those holes up there are all ready for the lights to go in. My floor, what a mess. Now this square here, this used to be a pantry. So there was a wall around there, and this bit here was a toilet. And there was a little hallway and the outside door. And then in between the door and the window there used to be a brick built cupboard. So now it's looking a sorry state. I've got those big lights up there, floodlights, because there's my husband is just going to cut the grass if it's dry enough. In that corner over there was some units, some kitchen units. So we've got those floodlights in here because there's no electric in here at the moment, no lights. We've still got some sockets working, which is quite handy, but other than that, we're in a mess. So, here it is. Thinking, what on earth is she doing now? But this is going to be my kitchen, or our kitchen I should say, because it's not just mine. Up there, look, on the ceiling we're having a lantern window. So at the moment it's just boarded on the top, but tomorrow they're coming in to put the big lantern window, which will give this area loads of light. All the builder's stuff is in here at the moment. There's all the plaster ready to go on in my studio tomorrow. So I'm really rather excited. It's all coming together. Oh, and this floor this part of the floor has all got to come up, because it's all different levels. It's all got to come up because I'm having underfloor heating in here as well, and then tiled on top. So this part of the floor has got to come up, and that part of the floor over there is the new part of the building. That was just the outside area. So hopefully, well, not hopefully, be positive, we will have a lovely new kitchen, and in here my lovely new studio. And I'm getting terrible withdrawal symptoms at the moment because I haven't been able to do any crafting. Or, well, I have. I've been sitting and doing some crochet, but I really want to get doing my junk, making my junk journals again, and doing some painting. I've got all the stuff all ready. I keep buying stuff. So when I get in here, I shall have all my craft stuff in here, and I will be able to make videos again and start doing some actual crafting. That's the loft hatch, just a crawl space so they can get to any electrical works and pipe works that need to do. So this is why I haven't been doing any videos just lately, because we're having all this work done. So I think it'll be about another 3-4 weeks, maybe 4 weeks max, I would say, and hopefully I will then be able to get some videos made. But tomorrow they're going to start plastering in here, and then they're going to put the tiled floors down, or the floor tiles down, I should say. But I still can't use it because the kitchen units will be coming, and they're going to have to store all the kitchen units in the craft room. So in there. I've also got to get a new door on there, which that leads through to the hallway and to the lounge. And I've got to get a new door on there, which is the door to the studio. So now you know what mess I'm living in, or we are living in, Neil and I, at the moment. There's all the rubbish. That's the old garage door. So all that's got to be taken away. There's loads of rubbish that's all got to be taken away. But we're getting there. Slowly, 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 but surely we will get there in the end. So hope to see you very soon, and I will show you around my new studio. So bye for now.